Hi. Let's learn how to connect Kraken Exchange in SageMaster. Log in to your Kraken account. Click Username at the top right corner, click Security and select API. Click Add Key button. Enter a label of your choice and set nonce window to 2 million. Give permission to query funds, query open orders AMP trades, query closed orders AMP trades, create and modify orders, cancel or close trades, query ledger entries, access WebSockets API. Click Generate Key. API key has been created. Now copy and paste API key and private key to the corresponding fields on SageMaster. Click on Manage Exchange. Click on Connect Exchange. Select Kraken Exchange and paste API key and private key. Click Connect Exchange. Congratulations! You have connected your exchange to SageMaster.